Hello, yes, today's daily combo on Gemzcoin. And before we go into that, there is a serious announcement on all their official handles that you should connect your wallet. Don't be surprised that this particular project may actually swing into better action than all these big name airdrops, right? So to connect your wallet, all you need to do is come over to this end session, click on this end session, and then you scroll down. You're going to see daily reward, this, and then you see connect wallet. Take note that the connection of this wallet is a one-time attempt. If you click on it and you fail to connect and you go back, it will be checked for you automatically as completed. It happened to a lot of people, and thank God they actually restored it, and it happened to me. So that's why I'm not going to click this now, because I just want to take my time to do the connection, right? I want to create a separate wallet for it. So you take your time, but do it immediately, because nobody knows what will happen from tomorrow. Let's just continue with the video, right? So what you are going to do is make sure you are ready to do the connection before you click on the connect wallet. If you are not ready, do not click on it, because as soon as you go back, it will be checked for you, and you might not have the opportunity to do that again. So do that immediately. So to connect your wallet to any airdrop platform, all you need to do is just, if you don't want to connect it to the Tone Space wallet on Telegram, all you need to do is maybe you just either come to your whatever Tone wallet you want to use. Let's just say, for instance, Tone Keeper, right? Let's say Tone Keeper, and you want to connect. I said you can actually have as many wallets as possible. So if I click here now, you're gonna see the wallets that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just name them according to what I want to use them to do. This one is connected only to Hamster, and then this one is Gemzcoin, and is the one I'm going to connect my Gemzcoin airdrop to right now. Okay, you can see that anyone I choose, it will be checked that I am currently on that one. So I'm currently on this Gemzcoin. If I check this, if I click on that, you see Hamster. If I click there, you're going to see that the Hamster is checked. Okay, so but then even if it is not, or maybe you have named a particular wallet, that's what you're going to use it for, and you are not on that particular wallet. For instance, I'm not on Gemscoin now. If you go over to Telegram and want to do connection, you can still change it when you are redirected to this wallet. You just click and then choose the one you want to connect, choose the wallet you want to connect to that airdrop platform. So let's just say I have it on Hamster. Okay, now let's head over to, you can see now that the wallet is currently on Hamster by default. Now let's head over to Telegram. Okay, now I want to connect this. Okay, I'll just click on this place and then head over to connect wallet. I'll click on it now. Connect wallet. You can see I will be redirected to this. Please take note that this Gemscoin is only one time attempt. If I go back now, I may not have the opportunity to connect this wallet again. So when you are redirected to this place, you choose the wallet you want to connect. It can be the open space wallet on Telegram. It can be Townkeeper. It can be my Town wallet. It can be Town Hall. So anyone I choose, I actually have account with all this from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to use Townkeeper as an example. So I'll just click on Townkeeper, okay, and then I'll be taken to my Townkeeper. Yeah, click on Townkeeper. I hope you can see. So you can see now, Hamster is here. So I'll just click here to change it to the one I want to, connect to that airdrop. So I'm just going to choose the Gemscoin, and that is it. I will click on connect wallet. Okay, I'll click on connect wallet. When I click on connect wallet, I'll be required to input my password, which I'm going to do right away. So yes, and after that you see done. You just show done and it's connected already. So I'll be redirected to my Telegram. I'll just choose the Telegram and I'll say once. You can see it has been checked for me as connected. So that's going to be how you do it. Now if you want to be sure that it's actually connected, we head over to our Townkeeper again, and then we will click to go to that Gemscoin. We choose Gemscoin, and then we click on browse or browser. Click on browser, and then we'll look at connected. Look at connected here. So it's going to show us Gemzcoin. So it's connected. That's going to be all for the video, and that's exactly how you connect your wallet, right? Let's just get straight into the combo of the day by clicking on the my section. The first card we have is cold weather gear, which is under the gear section. Cold weather gear, we go down to look for it. Cold weather gear, here we go. So we just upgrade it, and then the second is going to be ux designer, which is under the workers tab, ux designer ux designer. Here is it. So we just upgrade it, and we also have the third one still under the workers tab. We have the blockchain evangelist, and here is it. We upgrade it, and that's gonna be all for today. We have won the 5 million Gemzcoin for today, and um that is it. So do well to share this video with others. Go and update yours and win for today, and don't forget to follow us if today is the first time you are coming across this page or channel, and also leave your decent comment in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.